Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's Merritt and today we're back with the RX-7. Yay! We're just doing an oil change today and I'm actually going to have Justin do the whole thing and I'm going to film him do it because it's his car. But we come over here, got the oil, got Valvoline 20 W50 racing oil with high zinc because apparently it's good for his apex seals. And then for the oil filter.
The oil filter is over there.
Oh no! We got the mobile one and it's a M104A. The one for the Miata is M108A. So I know that. So we're gonna get started. He's gonna jack up the car and we'll drain it. And I'll show you everything. Look at that. Got the jack. He's oh, I can help you.
Nope.
Okay.
Look at that. It's just.
All right. Look at that.
I'm a one-man band.
Okay. We'll jack it up. The oil drain plug is a 19 mil. It's a 19.
It's a 19, and we're probably gonna keep filming videos on the RX-7 because apparently there are no videos on the S5, and things are just slightly different on the S5 than the S4. So probably the S4, it's like, oh, it's a 17, but for the S5, they decided to switch it up for no good reason.
Nobody asked.
Well, I did. But it's still... Ow. Well, I hope that moved it. It did. Cool. Oh, you know what?
Knuckles gone. What?
Well, I don't need it in this moment. But I got the washers.
Oh yeah, you have a minute. Wait, hold on.
Huh?
How clean can he make it?
Not clean at all. Unless it just...
Yeah. No, don't let it fall in there.
Yeah.
You gotta catch it.
No, I'm not gonna be able to do that. Yeah. I'm not. I slipped it. It slipped out of my hand.
Bro, you scared me.
Oh God, an oil change.
Got that loose. It was hand tight. I didn't even need to do that. And look at that. Oh.
Leaky. Yeah.
Oh, it dropped it everywhere.
Whatever.
That's your oil filter. Yummy. Wow, that's super nasty. Ew. All right, so we put some oil on the gasket. Now we'll put the new filter on. Oh, sorry. It just screws right in. Look at that, super speed. Making sure it's hand tight.
That's good.
Yay. And now we'll put the drain plug back in. And then here's a little comparison. We're also replacing the crush washer that goes on the drain plug. And this is an 14, it's an M14 crush washer. So yeah, that's all you need. Now we'll go ahead and put the drain plug back in.
I remember I stripped it on my Subaru. Good enough.
Just hand tight. It's usually, you know, like a few foot-pounds. That should be pretty tight. Now for the oil. Spill everywhere. Oh, the master.
Oh.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so that's 5 quarts. This car calls for 5.2 quarts.
Are we gonna measure 0.2? Probably not.
Yeah, we are.
You're insane.
Yeah, we are gonna measure.
Insane.
Hey, remember when you said you don't want to do anything halfway for this?
You know what? You keep putting my own words in my mouth, and I don't like it.
Yeah,
I don't like it.
I got you on video. Video.
You got me on video saying I hate you. Loser. 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 Loser.
Damn, this oil is so thick. Okay.
Nowhere near that. Okay.
So now that I think about it, I was a bit concerned because when we were draining it, your oil came out really thick. Now that I'm watching you pour the new oil in, I'm realizing like, oh my God.
Bro, there's so much more, and I'm being so conservative with it.
Just do like a big dump. Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, that. Oh, it was perfect.
Perfect. Look at that.
I'm just
0.2.
shifty with it.
So we got 5.2 in here. Now we're gonna turn the car on, run some pressure through the system, make sure it's not leaking anywhere, and we'll be all done. Oh my God. It's so loud.
It went up to 4.
Went up to 4. Alright. Gotta walk. Oh my God, it's so loud. Okay, I'm gonna back up away from it for a second. So when you're pressure checking it, you want to make sure it's not leaking out of the oil filter or the drain plug. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that really quick without the camera on because it's loud. We just pressure checked it. The oil filter and the drain plug are not leaking anything out of them.
We did it.
We did do
You're
it.
not stupid.
Also, my bad. I know the camera is probably really shaky and like at weird angles today. I didn't have my tripod, so I was just kind of
We didn't have a
freehanding.
professional cameraman on site. Not today.
Not today. He's on vacation. So, anyway, that is all. We're gonna put the car down. That's how you change the oil on an RX-7. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Didn't take very long. And
Sponsored by Maverick's Garage.
sponsored by Maverick's Garage. That's not here right now. He's not even home.
Loser.
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 Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.